All of these faceless YouTube channels, they get millions of views every single week. And that allows them to make thousands of dollars every single month. And I was able to analyze their videos, and I was like, it's not super complicated. It just requires a level of skill that you need to have and also some taste. So I set myself on a challenge. I created this faceless channel system that allowed me to craft this video that you see here from start to finish. Selecting the niche, crafting the script, AI producing the videos, the editing, the voiceover, the motion graphics, and all of that done in 1 hour. And obviously the last piece that everyone misses at the very end, posting the video. He was able to package the video, create a proper title, description, thumbnail, and tags, and all of that getting distributed for me, thanks to the help of Zernio, okay? So if you want to understand how I was able to build this faceless YouTube video with the help of my AI agents, stick till the end of the video. Let's get into it. Pow. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the faceless channel ladder that I'm gonna be climbing up throughout the video, okay? So I'm here and I'm gonna be climbing up each of these levels so I can reach the final boss. So level 1 is picking your lane, right? As you saw already, most of those faceless YouTube channels, they have a niche. They have a specific objective with their content. They have a specific area what they're focusing all their efforts into. And that's what makes their videos actually grow, because they have one niche with a specific target. From there, we now go into level 2, that is building the actual script. The scripting might be a challenging level for me. I'm not very good at writing fully. I'm good at getting ideas and developing them, and that's going to be necessary for this level here. But what I do have is a framework specifically that I'm given to you on things that you need to consider before writing your script. Because a script is basically words that make people stay and like your video. And this is like basically the core of a faceless YouTube channel. All right, and from there, we're now going to go into level number 3, that is building the actual video. This is actually one of my favorite levels because I do have the tools next to me to make a faceless YouTube video. I'm using tools like HyperFrames and some AI gen endpoints for video and image generation that they can turn into animated videos that support the actual script. I'm also going to share a specific endpoint for creating also your AI avatar persona. Now, just to give you more context, HyperFrames is this framework that allows your agents to build videos with just code and also edit videos, okay? As you can see here with all of these cool, really nice examples. Now, on the other hand, we're using Nano Banana 2 for our image generation model, Cdance 2.5 for our video generation model, Gemini Omni Video for our AI editing model, and we're using Longcat Video Avatar 1.5
also think that
for our AI avatar model.
with his
Okay,
dad being the prison,
this is an
that's
example
kind of,
here that looks
could go
really
either way.
natural, and also the
It
voice
worries
is really
me
good.
that
Okay, I don't care that we're different. You know,
All right, and from there, we're now gonna create the actual packaging, creating the title for the video and the thumbnail itself. This is the previous level before we go into the final boss. Now, our final video is gonna be ready on the folder, okay? And now we need to fight the boss. This step is hard. You need to go through uploading the video, manually adding the title, scheduling, and the worst thing is that this is not just one time. This is multiple times throughout the week, throughout the months, and this is the actual level where everyone gets stuck fighting the boss. But don't worry, I got you, okay? I have a cheat code that I discovered myself that is using Zernio, okay? We're gonna use Zernio for the pre-sign, the upload, and the posting to YouTube directly. And that's how I am gonna win, okay? That's how I'm gonna win, and that's how I'm gonna basically ship every single video. All right, so now let's get into it. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna open my own project where Claude Code is located at. This is the agentic coding agent that we are using. And underneath the layer of my project and Claude Code in there is the content operating system. The content operating system that is trained on scripting, is trained on producing the content with all of the AI generative tools and all of those pieces. So you need to take that in consideration first. All right, so it's been a long time, and I am currently on version 3 of the video that I created with the content operating system, alongside getting clear on each of the levels of the ladder to create faceless YouTube videos. Let me just open up the Google document that Claude created for me, just getting clear on each of the ladder steps that I already cover, and then I'm going to share the actual video itself, and we're going to get that video distributed real quick. Okay, starting with the topic. So for the topic, I wanted to talk about well, first of all, the idea of the niche that I wanted to go over in was science, okay? I love space and I love just everything related to the unknown about the universe, right? And Claude was like, okay, we should talk about what happens when you fall into a black hole. And that's going to be the actual topic that we're going to relate the video for in the niche of space and science. Okay. So we have the topic, we have the niche selection. For the script, the structure is very simple. We start with the hook and then the map, like what are they going to experience in the next 3 minutes? And then we break down the actual map, loop 1, loop 2, loop 3, and then the actual end. And that's basically the development of the script. You could see that this is not fully AI slop in some way. We have a really good hook. If you fell into a black hole, you wouldn't be crushed. Not at first. For a few strange minutes, you wouldn't even notice anything was wrong. And that's the scariest part. Oof. And then map. In the next 3 minutes, what you will actually see on the way in, the exact moment you cross the point of no return, and the one question physics still can't answer. What happens next? I mean, Fable 5 is actually really good at creative writing, and it just aligns very well with the topic and just the interesting aspect of it, and understands how human psychology also works in relationship to someone sticking and getting interested on a video. All right, so now the actual tools that we use. For the actual tools that we used all of the AI generation models. We created images, videos, and also AI avatar. And we also leverage the framework HyperFrames for the extra motion layer of editing and captions on the actual video. And here's a quick overview of the actual packaging with the actual title that we are going to go for the video. And the thumbnail is already saved inside my file. So we'll be taking a look at that. All right, so for the video, I'm going to start from scratch.
If you fell into a black hole, you wouldn't be crushed. Not at first. For a few strange minutes, you wouldn't even notice anything was wrong. And that's the scariest part.
Okay. As you can see here, this video is fully AI generated. The voice is fully AI generated. These actual words coming through are fully AI generated. And this transition is also AI generated. So that's the actual hook.
What you'd actually see on the way in, the exact moment you cross the point of no return, and the one question physics still can't answer. What happens next? You start outside.
The witness. And then here we have an image. It is a static image.
Falling feet first, a friend watching from a safe distance.
And it's just the guy narrating, just zooming in on the actual image itself.
Here's the first strange thing. Your friend never sees you fall in, ever. To them, you slow down as you approach the edge. Your image turns red, then dimmer, then it freezes. A fading photograph stuck on the surface forever. Gravity here is strong enough to...
That's crazy. I didn't even know this. And as you can see here, he's making some motion graphics showcasing the concept he's trying to explain to us.
Your image turns red, then dimmer, then it freezes.
That's super cool. Throughout the video, you will see some cool images and cool videos, cool transitions.
And you feel nothing.
This is all
No
AI
wall,
generated also.
No bump, no warning sign. The horizon isn't a place. It's a deadline. The line where light can no longer leave. You look back,
more
and the
motion
entire
graphic
universe
happening.
Is collapsing into a small, bright disk behind you.
Some really cool images, just explaining more of what he's talking about.
This shreds you before you even...
And here we have the AI avatar actually talking. You can see here is also explaining more with the motion graphics happening here.
The center isn't a place in front of you. It's a moment. It sits in your future the way tomorrow does, and you can no more avoid it than you can avoid tomorrow. What happens at that moment? That's where our physics simply stops.
Okay,
Nobody
interesting.
knows. And that's exactly why we keep looking. Next question. Our whole universe has a horizon too. So what's on the other side of that one? That video's coming next. Stick around.
So basically, Fable was just curious enough to ask a question at the end. So we can wait for the next video Fable is going to actually make for us. I mean, it's not bad. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. This took me around 50 minutes to get it done. And by the way, this video ended up being $6.25. Okay. And just to give you clarity, the first iteration wasn't super perfect at the very beginning, but some of the principles that I use with Fable to get the outcome that I want is establishing clarity on what are the things that I don't want him to do fully. And second, I really like to rate the actual work. Like, hey, Fable, your work was a 10 out of 100. This is the reason why. Here's context on of my creative direction. Where should I be like making improvements on this video? And then please apply that, but also take in consideration other angles and get to the point of making a 95 to 100% performance video. Give your best. Ultra Think. The Ultra Think at the very end is a native functionality within Claude that just pushes the model even further for his capacity to think specifically on what am I trying to achieve and what are all the resources he's going to pull to achieve that outcome. So that's a couple of my principles to get to version 3. All right, so what we need to do now is we need to destroy the boss, okay? And to destroy the boss, we need to distribute our video. And that's the step where everyone gets stuck. And that's what we're doing now. Now, in order to do that, I'm not going to do it myself. I'm not going to post manually because sometimes I just don't do it. So I'm going to get my agent to have access to Zernio, okay? In Zernio, we're going to have our YouTube account connected and we're going to give the API key and my profile ID to my agent, placing it inside the .mb file. So he's able to take those actions for me, okay? So let's get rolling. All right, so I need to head into Zernio. I need to basically open my account. In here, I'm gonna select my profile. And as you can see here, I have my YouTube account already connected. So you need to have this in place first. After that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy my profile ID and I'm gonna save this. And then I'm gonna head into API keys and I'm gonna create a new API key and I'm going to copy that and save that too. So then we can go back into your Claude project and you can place all of those variables inside your environmental file. This is where you're going to place something like Zernio API key and then you paste the value equals API key. And then same with the profile ID, okay, with Zernio. And then what you need to do now is you're just going to tell Claude, hey, Claude, can you schedule that video now with the proper title, thumbnail, and packaging on my YouTube, please? And he's actually doing that right now. He's almost done. He's publishing the thumbnail and he's taking the right actions to do that. Now, worth considering that inside my project, I have a dedicated skill called Zernio Publish, okay? Zernio Publish skill basically gives clarity on Claude on how he's able to post to the 13 social platforms that you're able to connect directly through Zernio. In here, we have the main skill.md file that basically are the actual instructions on how to do that, how to post, and how to distribute through all of those social platforms. And inside reference, we have specific descriptions on how to post in the best way possible on each of those platforms with their dedicated limitations and also pros, okay? And all of that is free and it is located inside the Zernio library skills alongside with other skills that we have created videos for that I recommend you taking a look at. So check that out. The link is gonna be in the description. All right, so the video got actually posted with the title, thumbnail, description, pinned comment, and some flags. All right, so let's take a look at it. And as you can see here, here's the actual thumbnail. I mean, not bad. This is actually pretty good, to be honest. Don't look back. I like this black hole. Here's the actual video title. Falling into a black hole wouldn't kill you at first. And as you can see here with the proper tags and everything. And if we take a look at the video, it is unlisted currently. Is marked as AI, of course. And if we scroll down, we'll be able to see that he was able to select the proper chapters on the video and able to add a first comment. That's super cool.
Hole, you wouldn't
The audio
crushed.
is nice.
Not at first.
Music.
For a few people, the geometry flips. The center isn't a place in front of
Everything looks great. Everything looks great to me. Amazing. So we were actually able to beat the final shipping boss with the cheat code here that is Zernio connected to our AI agent directly. Okay, amazing. That was all for this video. Hopefully this video was fun to watch. You got entertained, and also you got to notice this amazing cheat code that you can start using right now to ship all of the videos that you end up making without any struggle. If you like this type of videos, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment letting me know if this was helpful. And yeah, check out other videos on the channel that we will probably leave up there here. Overall, I hope you have a nice day, and I see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.